Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about an essential suspension component, the strut mount. Specifically, we'll discuss the 5 common symptoms of a bad strut mount, what causes these issues, and what it might cost to replace them. Let's get into it. 1. Unusual noises, clunking or squeaking. One of the first signs of a bad strut mount is hearing unusual noises, such as clunking, banging, or squeaking, especially when driving over bumps or turning. The strut mount acts as a cushion between the suspension and the vehicle body. When it wears out, it can no longer absorb vibrations, causing metal-on-metal contact and producing these sounds. 2. Poor steering response. A worn or damaged strut mount can affect your steering. You might notice the steering feels loose or imprecise, or there could be a delay when turning the wheel. This happens because the strut mount also plays a role in the suspension's alignment and steering precision. 3. Uneven tire wear. Another symptom is uneven tire wear, particularly if the front strut mounts are worn. Since the mounts help keep the suspension aligned, worn mounts can cause the tires to wear unevenly due to improper alignment. If you notice your tires wearing down more on one side than the other, bad strut mounts could be the culprit. 4. Excessive vibration. Feeling excessive vibrations while driving, especially through the steering wheel, is another sign of a bad strut mount. These vibrations occur because the worn mount can no longer dampen the movement between the suspension and the car's body, leading to a rougher ride. 5. Vehicle sagging or leaning. A damaged or worn strut mount can also cause the vehicle to sag or lean to one side. This happens because the suspension is no longer supported properly, which can affect your car's balance and handling. Causes of a bad strut mount. Strut mounts can wear out over time due to factors like normal wear and tear, rough driving conditions, or exposure to the elements. Hitting potholes, driving on uneven roads, or carrying heavy loads can also accelerate wear on the strut mounts. Replacement cost. The cost to replace strut mounts can vary depending on your vehicle's make and model. On average, you can expect to pay between $150 and $400 per strut mount, including labor and parts. If both front strut mounts need replacement, it could cost anywhere from $300 to $800. It's important to replace them in pairs to maintain proper suspension balance. Conclusion. In summary, the 5 key symptoms of a bad strut mount are unusual noises, poor steering response, uneven tire wear, excessive vibrations, and vehicle sagging or leaning. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to get your strut mounts inspected and replaced if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and solutions. See you next time.